It's 3.6 inch 480 by 800 display, a white BGA display, a full QWERTY keyboard. This is one of the biggest keyboards we have made on the WebOS product. So really best of the both worlds with its heavy messaging use, really fine keyboard, but with the display you can have a really rich web and multimedia experience as well. It's running 1.4 gigahertz Qualcomm 8X55, so we'll be the first smartphone with that kind of performance. It's got 512 meg of program memory, a 5 megapixel camera that shoots HD video up to 720p, autofocus camera. It also has a front camera for video calling, dual mic noise cancellation for environments like this or a crowded airport that you make a call on. It's extremely clear. And then it's running WebOS. So let me show you a couple of applications on WebOS. So the one of the hallmarks of the WebOS is the I don't have the Wi-Fi on this, so messaging. Let me just show you the messaging. So one of the hallmarks of the WebOS is really the multitasking interface. So you can see that I can move from one application to the other really easily, and when I'm done with an application, I can just toss it away, and then it closes it. From an email perspective, this is an extremely powerful email machine. I can have multiple emails open at the same time, which is really unique in any mobile OS. I don't have to save this email into a drafts folder when I go work on something else. And all my emails are moving together when I'm moving between the applications. I can also go and say, okay, I want to this email, I really want to do it separately, so I can go have it in its own prominent place and then I can toss it away. So multiple open emails. The other concept of the WebOS is the concept of synergy. Let me show that to you in Contacts, which is one of the most powerful places to see it. Then I'll show it in the email as well. I have all these contacts, and if you're somebody like me, my friends' contacts are on Facebook, on Google, in Exchange, and all I need is the latest information at all given times. So actually for Cooper, I'm getting the information from Skype, Facebook, Exchange, and Google. And if that person, Cooper, were to update his mobile phone number on Facebook, then my phone will get it without having to go to Facebook and figure it all out. At any given time, when I want to get in touch with Cooper, I need to come to Contacts and I'll have the latest information from Cooper at all given times. So really simple, consistent user interface. So the concept of synergy is pulling all that web services data and presenting it to you in a simple, consistent user interface. Same thing with my email. I'm getting my email from Exchange and Google, and it's all here. So I can switch between personal and work emails, and as that gets updated, I am coming to the same user interface rather than having to go to different applications to do my Gmail, then Exchange, and then Yahoo or IMAP. Everything works on the same user interface. So we call that synergy. The other concept, really simple concept, is with the WebOS is this concept of just type. And you can see any action that you want to take on your phone, you can start with just type. So for example, if I want to search for Cooper, I can go search for Cooper, and it gives me the entire contact information. I can also go search for Cooper on Google, or some of the other actions. Let me give you another example. How many times does it happen that you have a thought, you just want to capture the thought, and then figure out what to do with it? I'm sitting in a meeting's running long, I will be late. I need to tell my wife that I'll be late. So all I do is I type I will be late, and then I go and I can create it into a new email. Think I'm talking to you, you give me a phone number, I can put the phone number down and make it a contact later. I figure out, hey, I need to get my grocery list done, I can type in my grocery list and make it a task later. So it works contextually. That's how we work. We think of something and then we figure out what to do with it. And this WebOS allows you to do that. On the other product, the Veer, it's not working on pre-tree. You can see that you can even update your Facebook status from just type. So I can say, I'm in Barcelona having fun, and then update it and make it my Facebook status, and it just works like that. So extremely fluid, natural OS interface, and with the concept of multitasking and synergy made extremely powerful.
Is there any feedback on the device? Touch feedback?
No, so we don't have haptics on the device, if that's what you're asking, right?
Yeah.
So there is this doesn't have haptics, but I mean it's a multi-touch capacitive display.
Are you thinking about adding haptics later?
I can't talk about the roadmap here, but I mean we evaluate all sorts of technologies at all given time. So so on this product, as well as on the touchpad and Veer, we have the multi-touch capacitive display, but we didn't do the haptics.
I'd like to talk to you about that at some stage.
Okay.
Plan a beer and contact you.
You're on?
Yes. Where's the touchpad?
So my touchpad is inside. I need to go find it.
Okay. Because we're doing